From time to time, I receive emails from traders, some I've never met, asking me whether they ought to continue their trading pursuit. Internally, firm leadership was challenged whether it was best for some traders not improving at the firm to continue. Last month, a veteran trader who was not making enough at the firm but loved trading resigned to transition into another career. So, as you can see, the question of whether to continue touches many traders. And in fact, today I received a DM, a direct message from a trader wondering whether he ought to continue seeking my advice. I'm a struggling trader and now 39 years old. Been trying to make it since I was 28 years old, on and off. Blown up 4 times, small accounts of 5 to 10,000. I was mentored by, and I redacted that person's name, a strategy trading opening orders and fishing for good fills on non-new stocks, looking for inefficiencies, so an inefficient trader. First time ever I was making money. I made $15,000 first year and $18,000 the next year before my prop firm went under and took my $20,000 funds with them. This devastated me, and only now I'm trying to get back trading again. I can't trade my basket opening system any longer, unfortunately, as no one has offered me the buying power required, as it floats orders and canceled if not filled. I'm reading your playbook, the playbook, and wish I had found it earlier. I'm following this particular trader who I redacted again, style. He's a big fan of your work, so I'm trying to adapt a completely new style with specific plays now. 4 kids and a wife that depend on me. I never thought about getting rich like some. I just wanted to be free and replace my income with trading, and that's still very much the vision. But friends have overtaken me now with getting ahead in property and their jobs, while I took the chance on trading, working out. I've always believed to follow your passions. Just wanted to ask if you felt I should move on now being 39, or should I keep trying to adapt and find a niche? And so my response to that question from one of our readers and one of the traders in our community is, this is a personal decision. And I share with this trader there are probably pro traders who know him better that can offer better advice. I did share some general thoughts on this topic for this person to consider, and maybe you as well. 1, trading's not worth negatively impacting your family financially. 2, you need passion and talent to prosper and sustain as a trader. Are you improving as a trader? That's a key question. By end of year 1, we'll see most with talent show progress and with a personal sort of trading edge. And this progress will continue year 2 and year 3 and year 4 if you have talent. If you're not showing progress, then this is information to help you make your decision. 3, we have less success with older traders with a family surviving a very real learning curve than younger new hires. 4, this does not have to be a binary decision, should I quit or continue? You can trade part-time with a new financially stable job. You can transition into a new career with a secure financial package and employ part-time strategies with edge. One trader who recently left our firm and loved trading did so with this very plan. 5th, digging your heels in so you don't fail may not be in your self-interest nor the firm's. Having the self-awareness to recognize trading is not your true passion or talent shows enormous emotional intelligence and also character, traits that will be rewarded in your next career. So I want to thank Michael Batnick for his tweet on the post I wrote, which we just discussed in this video. And he wrote, making a living as a trader sounds great, excitement, flexibility, potentially lucrative, but boy, is it hard. And you can read his tweet here. He writes a really terrific blog, The Irrelevant Investor, and his tweet spurred a tremendous amount of comment about what we just discussed together and the article that I wrote about this. And you can go and join that conversation on Twitter and share your thoughts about this video and my past post, and we'll read it and keep this conversation going. So I hope that helps. We'll talk to you guys soon. Trade well.